Hello, we're here at SL Equipment today to look at this 8.5 by 25 foot gooseneck equipment trailer with mega ramps. Now on the front of the trailer, we'll have our safety chains, breakaway pin, breakaway cable, of course coupler for the gooseneck. On the front of the trailer, we'll have our chain basket, our crank handle, which is going to be for the front feet. Now with this, there's multiple adjustments. So once you get the trailer pulled up just a little bit on each side, you can go in and adjust. You just pull it and then release once it goes over the notch you want. The trailer has LED lights for all the exterior lighting. Looking at the side here, we'll have our strap ring, stake pockets, step up area. The deck on these trailers is going to be pressure treated wood. That way it helps with erosion over time. We'll have our axles, two 10K axles. It is a Deckover, so you will say that it's going to be above the axles. There's a metal plate over that area as well. On the back here we can see our mega ramps. They've got some spring assist to them. And with the mega ramps, they'll have tie down point areas on those, which is really nice to keep them in place. There's also a latch on the front to hold it in place. On the back, on each side, we do have tie down rings, and of course our stake pockets going on forward. Look at the side. Now going down the sides, the safety tape does have the trailer manufacturer on it, which is really cool. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.